What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today, and I am on my way to Michigan. This should be fun. Okay, so I just got to the hotel. I'm pretty much just waiting on the first model that I have for tonight, which is actually the only model that I have for tonight. You know, I gotta do a little T-Mid thing. You know, you pop in cities and he always shooting this person, shooting that person. Actually, she just hit me. She said ETA is 7:08. It is currently 7:30. So anyway, I love the hotel space. I tried to upgrade to a suite, but they didn't have one available. It has a beautiful, beautiful view of the city. And yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead on, wait till she get here and get things started. So like that area, I know I wanna do something there, right?
Yeah, this is pretty sweet.
Yeah, like something loungy, like.
I don't look fat, do I?
You do not look fat. You don't look
My
fat.
my abs are coming in, barely.
All right, now, so due to the music, I can't really let you hear everything that's going on, but I'm gonna try to break it down. I don't wanna get any type of copyright or anything on it. Now listen, the first place in this hotel that I was thinking about was this window with this chair. Little did I know, or I mean, I should have known because I am an off-camera flash photographer, but when you're doing things like this, one of the hardest things to do is to try to make sure that you do not get none of the reflection from the softbox in the window. So you kind of got to flag certain things, change the angle of the light just a little bit, and then, you know, that way you'll be able to get it a little bit better. Honestly, for some of these, I had to crop the images just a little bit just to get that part out. But for this, it was pretty simple. I did a one light setup. Most of the light that you see currently is from a continuous light that I'm using, but that's where the light is right there. And these are the photos. So as you can see, you really don't see the softbox in those photos. Now for this shot right here, honestly, we was just experimenting on the bed for a little while, and we ended up getting some good shots that I like. And once again, I'm doing the one light setup. If you see that light in the back, it's just for the video, just so you can see it. So I'm shooting a little high for it not to come into the frame, but in some you're gonna see that I actually backlit her with that right there, like with that light hitting the ceiling right there. You'll see them coming up. So you see this, you see the one catch light, you kind of see the reflection in the picture a little bit in that photo. If you like rewind or whatever, you'll see it. Now right here, this is what I'm talking about. So this is where the light was. I was trying to get this right. This was kind of complicated because of how like it was just showing up in the photo. So that one light that's in the back that you see right now, right? That light actually was backlighting her. Right here, I just showed her this one look of this image right here that I wanted her to see. And, you know, once again, I'm sorry, but the music is so loud, I can't really show it. Now, I was telling her this face that she made, that's why she's continuing to make it, that I really liked it. Now, if you see her hair in the back, this is backlighting her hair. And that is a Amaron 100X or something like that. But I think it gave a great backlight to the hair with the one light in the front hitting her right there. So, you know, that was pretty nice.
I love that.
And I just wanted to come a little closer for some shots right there, you know, just to get the mirror and her so you know that it was coming from that. Now for this one, I didn't like the legs, and I actually end up having her kick her legs out because it just looked real awkward. But I was using the 14 to 24. See right here, I'm instructing her to put a leg straight. But I was using the 14 to 24 for these because I wanted some wide angle shots to try to like distort her legs and get something real funky. And then after that, I was just like, all right, forget it. Let me just get some of her face. And then, you know, that's what I did. I just got half body shots basically. And look at her, look at the camera and turn away real quick. I don't want to say she's not a real model, but this is her second photo shoot. This is just, like I said, one of my friends. And since I was in the area, you know, I just went ahead on and took her photos. I took her photos before, it came out nice. And then, you know, this time I love these photos.
Not fully, but yeah, something like that. So. I want to make this Moody, like really Moody. Look at my face. Look at my face. Look at my face. Do you see it? Is that eye autofocus on my eye right now? Do I look beautiful? Do I look sexy? I feel. All right. Okay. Stop. I was saying. This can't make it to the video, but I'm gonna have fun. Forget it, whatever. Okay. The police outside, they're going crazy. But I feel good. I feel great. How do you feel? Hit the like button. Just in case if I put this on the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I promise you I'm not like this all the time. I'm a lightweight. I don't even drink like that. I don't drink. I haven't had a drink and I couldn't tell you how long, you know. Man. And I had a margarita. You know what? That's embarrassing. I'm cutting this off.
Now I feel like I got to give a little substance with that. Now we end up going out and end up having some drinks. I got drunk. I'm sorry that you even had to see me like that. I apologize. But anyway, what I was planning on doing, you know, when I woke up the next morning, as you see right here, just throw some B-roll in so you can look at something while you hear my voice. I had a second shoot, and then with the second shoot, what I was really excited with, you know, I brought this lens with me. I rented the lens, and then I brought it with me so I could go ahead on and, like, I love doing distortion with a 14 to 24 millimeter lens. So that was what my next shoot was going to be. So let's jump into that.
What's going on? I just woke up, went out last night. I didn't bring my camera because when I finished with the shoot and everything, almost everything was like dead basically. I needed to charge everything up. So there's so much going on anyway. There was no need for me to bring my camera, but let's speak about today. So, all right, I came here to shoot this one model, Kendall. Every time I say her name, I go about her Instagram name, which is like Kenjetta. I will put it somewhere when it's time to put it there. But so I mainly came to shoot her. But when I was in Detroit the first time, I actually met up with Shannon, and then we had like an amazing shoot. So I figured since I was coming again, I might as well. Now the shoot from yesterday or last night that you saw was mainly like with one of my friends I met when we were in Houston. She moved back to Detroit, and then since I'm in Ohio, every time I come to Detroit, I kind of like link up with her. So, you know, she's cool. I don't want to say she's a model, because I think that I'm like her second. I'm her first. She shot with me first, and then this was like her second time shooting. So this was like her second photo shoot. So, but I mean, like I said, I just like to shoot her anyway. But we're gonna go ahead and get into today. Brush my teeth, take a shower, all of that good stuff, and we're gonna go ahead on and head out to the shoot. Look, I just made it to the location of the studio, and this kind of looks a little. Yeah, but this place low-key kind of ghetto. Like, look at this. Oh, this place is ghetto. Look at these stairs. Look at this, man. All right, let me hurry up because I got my equipment in the hole. Whew. All right, so look behind me. feel like I'm in a scary movie. And all right, so this is the studio that I'll be working in today. From the hallway and everything, like I said, it looked kind of ghetto, but now that I'm actually inside, and I'm sorry that that fan is there, you may hear it throughout this, so I don't know, maybe I'll throw like a voiceover on this or something like that so you can't really hear it. But if you do, I'm sorry, it's nothing I can really do about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up some paper in this area right here. We're gonna do some stuff there. I may utilize this space right here, and we may do some stuff right there as well. I may even tether this because he has a little table right here, so I might set my stuff up there and tether right there. But other than that, this is pretty much like an apartment, like a studio apartment. You know, you see he has a kitchen there. Up there it's a bed. So we'll see how this shoot goes. I'm pretty sure it'll be good. We got like 2.5 hours, so I got so much time to do so much stuff. He also has a lot of stuff like this. Now I got this from Peerspace, so this is my first time going with a Peerspace studio. So let's see the type of shots that we get.
Nikon Z7.
Yeah,
No, I ain't got that joint, bro.
that's right.
That's nice though.
It's recording you right now.
What up, though, D-Town? What is this over here? Another Z7?
Nah, that's a Z6 too.
Damn, it looks small.
So what we're gonna get as well is some lookaways. So yeah, just like that. That's perfect. All right, cool. Hold up. Perfect. Yep, I like that. Lift them a little bit. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, let's play with that. Perfect. There we go. And yeah, just have fun with it. Perfect. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. All right, hold up. All right. Yeah. Oh, that's fire. Like the different colors and everything really like do it too.
What?
The different colors like really like, you know, does it justice. Perfect. You see this, Rob? Yeah, that's fire. Stay like that for me. Okay, so I'm about to go try out the infamous Coney Island here in Detroit, Michigan. Just waiting for RBJ to get here, and we're gonna go ahead on and start to sightsee, man. It's a pretty busy Saturday. I guess there's a Tiger game going on, and you know, it's a lot of people out here. Oh, there you go. He's right there. Let's look at my guy.
What up, though?
What's going on?
Scorpio living, baby. Scorpio living. You know what I'm saying? Take these damn transition glasses off.
There you go.
What up, though?
You ready?
Ryan's in the D, baby. You better go to Coney Island, Lafayette, because when you come to Detroit, you got to go to Coney Island. That's what we known for. Let's hit it.
It don't take that long to make, right?
No, it don't take that long to make. Once have y'all done, I'm done. Just let me know. I'll just get y'all another one.
All right.
If y'all want it now, just get them done.
Nah, I'm gonna see how this feel.
Yeah, y'all first and stuff right there.
All right, appreciate it. At that. Ketchup on mine. What? Yeah. Ketchup with chili and cheese? Yeah. Yes, sir. Looking like it. Here it goes, right here. All right, look at that. We're gonna see how this tastes. Change your life. I'm confident. I'm confident you're gonna like that, man. I'm confident. I'm confident. The hot dog, the Tony, the dog.
Coney dog.
trying to understand what they used for.
So the thing about there's just like really like ground beef, it's like ground, you can see the ground beef. Some of the stuff be like, yeah, I'm hoping I'm eating ground beef.
Right.
This shit, you can actually see the freshness in the grounds. You can see the freshness in the grounds of those dogs.
Yeah, that boca right there look beautiful too. All right, so we are going to get the main model that I came to Detroit for, Kendall. She is in the lobby. And my boy right here.
Yes, sir. What up, dog?
We about to create some magic.
So what is going on? This is the shoot that I was talking about that I was most excited for. This is what I came to Detroit for. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a lot of footage of it, but I will bless you with a lot of pictures that I took from this. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, which if you didn't, or if you don't, you should, you would have seen them already. But make sure you hit like on this video, you subscribe to this video, and just enjoy these few shots that I got.
For my Canon. Man. 1,000, 150.
Chin down a little bit. Towards me. Perfect.